The 11th president of the world's largest political party. Can we have a warm round of applause as I welcome Jagat Prakash Nadda. Nadda ji, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us over here. I want to start by asking you about your term as the BJP president and reflecting on the last 20 months as the Adhyaksh. What is it that you look back and say, this is what I believe is my biggest achievement so far? And in the term that remains, what are the key things you would like to get done? Nadda ji.
First of all, thank you very much for giving me an opportunity, Rahul ji. The first question you have asked is, how do I feel after taking over as the national president of Bharatiya Janata Party? I feel, first of all, that I am now the president of a party, Bharatiya Janata Party, which was previously known as Bharatiya Jansangh. And this party has seen presidents like Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. This party has seen presidents like Deen Dayal Upadhyay, who has been the ideologue of the party. This party has seen president and carving a way for the party like Bharat Ratna Atal Bihari Vajpayee. This party has seen Kushabhau Thakre, later Rajnath Singh ji, Nitin ji, Amit Shah ji. They have all come from a very common background, from a very humble background. And we have seen a Prime Minister, the world's one of the most dynamic leaders, Shri Narendra Modi ji, coming. We are privileged, and I am privileged, that I am the president of a party in which, from such a humble background of Himachal Pradesh, very small town of Himachal Pradesh, one becomes the national president of the world's largest party. It is possible only in Bharatiya Janata Party. This is what I feel first. This is not possible in other parties, number one. Number two, you talked about big shoes to fill. You have talked about my predecessor has hanged his boots. You see, all this concept, we are not from this political thought process. We are from the Indian political thought process. And in the Indian political thought process, we work, it's a party which has got an ideological background. It's a party where we are cadre-based and we have got a mass following. But at the same time, we work with collective wisdom under the dynamic leadership of Narendra Modi, and we work in continuity. So those shoes, those boots, you must have hanged it. But it is very much within the ambit of Bharatiya Janata Party. His contribution is also being taken well. Amit Shah ji is now no more the president, but Rajnath ji is no more the president. But in our working system, they are part and parcel of day-to-day activity. So I never feel that I'm alone or something, now I have to perform or I have to go forward. I'm only working in continuity. जो काम उन्होंने छोड़ा उसको आगे बढ़ाने का काम हम लोगों ने लिया है. और इसमें जब मैं देखता हूँ तो I feel little handicapped that the day I became, within 1 month, Corona, the century's most devastating pandemic took place. And so everything was paralyzed, lockdown lag gaya, बाकी सारी चीज़ें हुई. लेकिन challenge को opportunity में convert करने का मौका भी मिला. And I am happy to share with you that all political parties were in isolation, where all political parties went to quarantine, they were nowhere to work. It was Bharatiya Janata Party which took the work of Seva Hi Sangathan Hai and did the social work, and not in lakhs but in crores. We distributed masks, we distributed sanitizers, we distributed medicines, we distributed food packets to the tune of 50 crores. And it was not as if we are doing some charity work. ये हमारा human angle था, जिसने, और this was done digitally. In 3 months' time of lockdown, I got the opportunity of addressing at least 400 video conferences. So the whole party and the cadre got converted, digitalized. एंड पहले किसी को मालूम भी नहीं था कि ये वर्चुअल मीटिंग क्या होती है। और 2-1.5 महीने बाद गांव का कार्यकर्ता बोलने लग गया, सर मुझे लिंक भेजिए, मैं आई वांट टू, दिस इज द चेंज विच हैज टुक प्लेस। एंड ऑफ कोर्स कीपिंग दैट फैक्टर इन व्यू, हमने सोशल वर्क को तो किया ही किया, इलेक्शंस के दृष्टि से भी काफ़ी काम करने का बहुत एक्सपीरियंसेस मिले मुझे। इलेक्शन आ गया, अब बिहार का इलेक्शन आ गया, कैसे लड़ा जाएगा? इलेक्शन कमीशन वाज आल्सो नॉट वेरी क्लियर whether they will give us a permission for a public meeting or not, whether they are going to follow the protocols or not, whether we will be able to make them follow the protocols or not, whether we will be able to see to it that we are abiding the rules. Election में वोटर आएगा कि नहीं आएगा, ये भी एक प्रश्न था। I'm talking about last November. But yes, things went on well. Out of 58 by-elections, 40 elections were won by Bharatiya Janata Party. The strike rate in Bihar was the best which Bharatiya Janata Party witnessed. And later on, if I talk about the local body elections, right from Lahaul Spiti, Ladakh to Karnataka, we won all elections. We won the greater Hyderabad election, municipal elections also, Manipur elections, Arunachal Pradesh elections. Later on, I had an interview with you during the state elections, which took place in this year, early February. That was about, we won Puducherry. For the first time, we could make the government there. We had a good presence in West Bengal. We got 38% votes there and 77 seats, from 3 to 77 seats. We retained in Assam. So we did fairly good in elections also.